In this video, we're going to share with you all the practical and actionable tips to prepare and pass the PSPO 1 and PSPO Advanced certifications. The advice we'll share with you has already helped hundreds of practitioners pass the exam with flying colors. So, before sharing the ultimate guide to passing the PSPO exam, let us give you a quick brief about what PSPO is and why you need a PSPO certificate. PSPO is a professional-level Scrum Product Owner training certification course. If you want to get an advanced understanding of Agile product development and Scrum framework, you should take the course. Also, the PSPO 1 and PSPO Advanced certification will help you learn how to deliver valuable products faster and more effectively. This course will also teach you how to leverage Scrum in real-world circumstances. Tips on passing the PSPO 1 certification. 1. Study the Scrum Guide. Whether you're a product owner, Scrum Master, stakeholder, or developer, if you want to pass the PSPO exam, start by reading the basic concept of Scrum. Print and read the Scrum Guide thoroughly to get familiar with Scrum. The Scrum Guide is the most essential and primary resource for the assessment. 2. Get familiar with Agile Glossary. Go to the Scrum Glossary and get familiar with all the key terms in Agile. For example, make sure to pay attention to terms like acceptance criteria, acceptance testing, backlog, burn-down chart, business agility, definition of done, continuous integration, and velocity. 3. Read the EBM guide. Get a clear understanding of the EBM or evidence-based management guides to find answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about product value. 4. Attend a product owner training. Consider attending an in-person or online course or training to reinforce your learning and ask questions. 5. Take mock exams. Practice taking mock exams to get a feel for the real exam and identify areas for improvement. By practicing, you'll also be able to answer quickly and save a lot of time during the real exam. Now, if you have passed the PSPOI exam, you must take the PSPO Advanced certificate to get an in-depth understanding of Scrum and product owner knowledge. This course will help you validate your knowledge of professional Scrum product ownership, the Scrum framework, and delivering valuable products. Here are some actionable tips to pass the PSPO Advanced certification. 1. Understand the advanced topics. To clear the PSPO Advanced exam with a 100% score, you must learn more about Scrum. You have to study some advanced topics such as scaling Scrum, Agile product ownership, Scrum in complex environments, communicating the product vision and strategy, Agile governance, budgeting in relation to Scrum, and many more. 2. Reread the Scrum Guide. Reread the Scrum Guide you already read during the PSPOI exam. But this time, make sure to focus on the two competencies, managing products with agility and developing the Agile organization. 3. Keep patience and study. The PSPO Advanced exam questions are more exhaustive and complicated than the PSPOI, so be patient while preparing for the exam. 4. Understand the stances of a product owner. The PSPO Advanced exam will test your knowledge of how a product owner taking a particular stance will make decisions. On Scrum.org, you'll get plenty of blog posts explaining the various stances of a product owner. In the PSPOA exam, they won't ask you specific questions but rather present you with some scenarios and see how you would react as a product owner with a certain perspective. The goal here is to understand the mindset behind each approach rather than to memorize specific actions. 5. Get an advanced product owner training. It's difficult to read all the difficult terminology of Scrum and understand every concept thoroughly by yourself. So, taking a training from experienced coaches will help you grasp the subject well. At Agilemania, we provide interactive training on PSPOI and PSPO Advanced to help you pass the exams with flying colors. Our experts will help you understand the critical concepts with real-world examples, scenarios, and case studies. So, these are the tips. Hope you find this video helpful.